closed the door and killed the rocking cradle dreams that rock and roll no more. You took my prayers and let them go to drift upon the breeze. They fade away so gently with such apparent ease. You left me in the shadows of my dreams you locked away. And every night that passes now is just an endless day. I'm not afraid of the dark anymore, but I'd love a little light, a star to kiss the shadows and see me through the night. Tears on all the pictures have made the colors run, and lazy silver lining clouds leave snowflakes in the sun. The flame that lit the candle has faded into gray, and all that's left is darkness to light me through the day.